This week we have the chance to talk to John Briggs, who is a CPA, but really, he's a tax strategist to the best degree. Okay, welcome out to Top Secret Tuesday. Once again, we're here with our secrets of success, and so I'm here with John Briggs with Lunsford Peck, who is a top CPA and a tax expert. And so I've asked John to maybe share a couple thoughts for self-employed people as far as some different tips that you might have for them.
Thanks, Aaron, for this opportunity. You know, self-employed people have a great advantage over people who aren't self-employed is because all these major companies pay lobbyists and now they get to take advantage of the same tax rules. A couple things that they should be wary of, though, is a lot of them like to file the business use of home form on their tax return. That is actually a form created by the IRS to trigger audit, so our recommendation is to never actually use that form. That being said, you can always calculate the deduction and file it for it just where you normally file your business expenses. And so the way someone would calculate what that deduction would be is they're going to take the square footage of their home office space, divide that by the total square footage of their house. That gives them their use percentage. They then take that percentage and multiply it by their home utilities, repairs done to the house. I mean, really anything that goes into the house, it could potentially be a business deduction. For some of our clients, we even take it a step further and we help them implement a tax strategy we call corporate rent. It's simple, but it's a little complicated to explain. The bottom line is it can create up to a $15,000 deduction every year utilizing their business and certain tax laws. And then, of course, self-employed people, mileage is a very important deduction that they could take. And most don't document it the right way, so most leave things on the table, and if it's not documented the right way, the IRS has a fun time disallowing it completely. So we always recommend taking the time to make that mileage log.
That's great. Well, thanks again, John. Those are some great tips. And again, this is John Briggs, and if you have some more tax questions or you want some more information on how to beat the IRS, this is the guy to talk to. So you can click on his website below or give him a call. Thanks again.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Top Secret Tuesday. As always, feel free to subscribe for future episodes and be able to catch on what we're doing in the future. And as always, we'd love to hear your thoughts and comments and questions. So go ahead and leave those below. We'll get back to you just as soon as we can. We'd love to hear what you'd like to see on upcoming episodes of Top Secret Tuesday.